All right, you guys have heard it. Yes, I did. I got me not one but two Telfar bags. Now here's the thing, I know I keep saying like I'm not gonna be buying bags, but I pretty much got these on the last drop in October. So yeah, and I blame my god sister because, as you guys know probably from the Atlanta vlog, Alexis does have a Telfar in the shade tan, and when I seen it I was like, I'm not even interested in these bags, but once I tried it on I was like, girl, I need to get this bag. So as you guys don't know, Telfar is a black owned brand, very popular. Bags sell out within minutes. I have seen celebrities wear them. I have seen Issa Rae have them all in her last episodes of Insecure. Everybody is rocking these bags. Now I will tell you the price point in these bags range from I want to say, let's see, 170 to almost 275, 280 depending on the size of the bag, and they only come in small, medium, and large. There's no extra large. I got a small and I got a medium, and I got them in two different colors. Now what Telfar does is every so often they'll do these bag drop security programs where basically you can go online, you can pretty much order as many of their bags as you want in different colors, sizes, and ranges for give or take like a week. That being said though, it takes about maybe 6 months for you to get the bag. So I pre-ordered my bags back in October. I got the first one in December, so I was holding that off for you guys. Then I just got my second one in mid-February, and now we are in March. So the promise is you will get your bag by the end of March. These bags are not like in a warehouse sitting where they could just ship. When I tell you guys people have been waiting months for their bags, I don't know if I'm gonna actually do this again because it takes so long. Like, you pretty much paid for the bag and now you're just waiting to get it for another 3 to 6 months. That's a little bit like, I want my bag now. So I don't know. I do know that I want a black in this bag. I don't need it, so I'm pretty much content with the two colors that I have. But if I definitely decided to, I would go back and get another one. So this is how they arrive, and I like the box. I didn't keep the box, but it comes in a flat box, so there's no name or anything that you would know. It comes in this little plastic, and it has the bottom of what is it that I got. So you guys can see I got the small eggplant shopping bag, and it comes in the dust cover. I'm gonna keep everything that I have for the price. This one, I like the dust cover, so it comes with their logo. Telfar also does collaborations with UGG and several other people, especially on UGG. You can get it like on the UGG website, the Nordstrom's website. I haven't got caught up in it. I definitely want to get an eggplant, and I'll do mod shots so you guys can see what the bag look like. It comes with this little tie to keep my strap intact, and then you also get the tag on here along with the information about your bag. This bag does not hold as much. I do like that it comes with a little what is it called, you know, a snap to keep your bag closed. I wanted to get the small, so if I'm ever out, just to be out, I don't, you guys know I don't really have a lot of small bags, and I wanted it in purple because obviously I didn't want to do something that was too different. I am going to show you guys if it fits. Currently I have the iPhone Pro Max 13, so I'm going to show you guys if it fits, because I know that was a question like some of my family here. They were like, does it fit the bag? Does it fit in your wallet or your thing? Yes, it does. So as you guys can see, it does fit my phone in there snug, and I would get just a little compact wallet, like a card case wallet, put that in here. It can fit my keys and my gloss, and that's pretty much you need depending on where you're going. So it does fit my phone. I know that was a question that did come up. I got this one in eggplant. So if you're wondering, this bag is $150. The medium is $202 and the large is $257. So this is what it looks like. Telfar has so many different colors, girl. I can't even count the number of colors they keep coming on here with. They keep launching colors. These sell out in seconds. So I use the security drop as an option to get me the bag that I wanted, because I was like, I'm not going to be chasing down this website over and over again. So let's go on to the next one. I got the medium tan. This is the one I seen my god sister have, and I tried it on and I was like, this is so, it was like the perfect color. Now this one is priced at $202. I paid $220 with taxes and shipping. And I know everybody's like, why are they so popular, girl? You gotta try it on. Best advice is, if you cannot try it on, just take the risk and actually just get one. My advice, I was not interested in this, but then y'all know I do have an addiction to bags. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I was like, what is this? It had this in there. You know, the little thing to keep your bags fresh. I do like that it comes with the dust cover for all their bags, because trust me, it is worth it. So this is what the color looks like. I wanted something that I could wear at any time. I could use this. It fits just enough in here. And I will include mod shots. You guys can see this holds a lot. The bag, it does come with this long strap on all the bags. So it's a crossbody and you can wear it as a top handle. More than likely for me, I'm gonna do it as a crossbody. This one is definitely a little bit larger. Reason being I wanted this one was because my god sister, she said that she was able to use hers like as a carry-on. She was like, if you do an overnight trip on a plane or something, you could use this as a complete carry-on. This is the bigness inside of it. It has a lot of space. Now this one, compared to the small, it does have a zipper right here. So you do get a zipper right here. You only get one zipper pouch, and that's pretty much it. It has fabric inside, so that's a cool thing if you definitely want to keep your bag good. Another thing that I've seen some people do is you can always go on Amazon and buy a bag base to actually just keep the shape of the bag. What I'll be using this for, this could definitely fit my laptop. I'll show you guys probably in the mod shot. I'm looking at my laptop like, girl, I need to get you. But this will be able to fit at least a MacBook 13-inch and 15-inch. It'll be able to fit your iPad, be able to just, you could use this as a work bag. I've seen people use this as a work bag, a regular shopping bag, for any and everything. That's why I kind of want to get a different color, just in the black or another color in this size, because I know that I could use it for everything, for different things, and I don't want to just have this one specifically for that. It does have the Telfar emblem right here. It is 100% vegan leather, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I got caught up with the Telfar hype. Now I know you guys will want to see how does it look on me. Please remember, I am 5'3", so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me, how it like lays on me, and then I'll show you guys what my laptop looks like inside of this thing. So come back to you in a minute.